where the evening sun dips down to kiss the earth. A love as old as time, giving constant rebirth. The heavens burst with joy, casting a golden swirl, and so begins our journey in this ethereal world. With every beat of nature's drum, a hymn of sacred union, a symphony of life's grand design, a celestial communion, with whispers in the morning dew and secrets in the wind. A world that's woven with love kind, a tale that's never pinned, in ocean depths where silent prayers find their way, and mountain peaks where angels kneel to play. A testament of divinity unfolding inside, in the dance of day and the cradle of night. From a single seed a mighty breeder's tower, a testament to what love showers. From the down of a daisy to the eagle's majestic flight, love sings in harmony with the day and the night, where rivers flow with both grace and might, reflecting the stars in the cloak of night. Every leaf, every stone, bearing love's holy praise, in the vast breathing tapestry of divine embrace. Through this world we bear our souls wide open, sketched by the divine and love's constant motion. A journey not of miles but of ladders to the sky, where natural love in every breath does lie, and as seasons dance in the grand ballroom of time, every creature adorned, every note in rhyme. We are but travelers here with lessons to learn. In the warmth of love's flame we're all destined to reign.